Okay people, let's have a full top-down analysis from weekly to minute charts. I teach you the king of strategies, the best momentum scalping strategy. And I do not teach you new things. I teach the same strategy over and over. If you're ready, let's do this. Let's talk about what was happening on this lovely Sunday. If you opened the charts today, first thing you were going to notice was this. Totals were crashing badly, along with all the major coins. Plus, the USDT dominance was really positive. By looking at this, only this, I can easily say that today was a weak day and taking short trades would be more beneficial rather than the long trades. The first coin I noticed was this virtual crypto. It was the number 2 top loser coin of the day. With the help of our lovely indicator called ICT high time frame candles, we will try to observe this multiple time frame price action. First of all, notice this little imbalance here. Also in all other time frames. This imbalance was supposed to push the price higher and higher. And it failed really badly. Then the opposite imbalance created with the momentum. You can also notice that it created this bear structure break here. Then the price pulled back and tapped this multi-time frame imbalance zone. Now, let's observe this area in extreme detail with lower time frames. Okay, now switch to the 15-minute time frame. Before moving on, let's have a larger perspective here. Notice the considerable swing failure pattern here and the extremely large parabolic liquidity below. All this waiting for us to be taken out. Moreover, we had this previous day low below as an extra liquidity. Okay, great. We have an amazing setup here. Now let's see the 3-minute time frame in this area or in other lower time frames to check out. First, I think you notice here the same but very small version of the same price action, a swing failure pattern, followed by a weak break. But the area is not really clear, not giving us a very nice, clear, simple risk-reward trade here. However, then after some consolidation, the price is crashing with this gigantic inner momentum imbalance. At this moment, you cannot no longer use the traditional risk and reward. This is where you have to jump the trade with a market order, just like I teach you in the masterclass with the rally strategy. It is the same, but this time the price is crashing and I call it crash. Then you just seek 3 or 4% move, get in and out, be done with your day. Because as day traders, markets are very tricky. We have to get in and out as soon as possible. Okay people, this is it for the day. Please take care and see you next time. If you have completed the free trading course and feel like you have improved your trading skills and you want to move to the next level in your trading life, my masterclass is ready for you. You'll learn liquidity, inefficiencies, and structure mastery deeply. And we will look at forward and reverse trading with momentum super boxes. You will also learn how to confirm your entries with magic alignment system. You will discover the yo-yo strategy and the rally strategy with one free indicator. If you are interested, you can find the links on my website on the descriptions. Take care, my friends, manage your risks, and stay safe.